วัสดีค่ะ
Welcome everyone. In this quick Thai lesson, we will learn about
ใช่ไหม
This is a common expression used in everyday Thai conversation. Let's get started and make this super simple for you.
ใช่ไหม
Is used to seek confirmation, similar to saying right or isn't it in English. It's a combination of
ใช่
meaning yes or correct and
ไหม
a question particle used to form yes-no questions. Let's put it into practice with a simple example.
คุณชอบพิซซ่าใช่ไหม คุณชอบพิซซ่าใช่ไหม
Means you like pizza, right?
คุณ คุณ
You.
ชอบ ชอบ
To like.
พิซซ่า
Pizza.
ใช่ไหม
Right? Isn't it? The confirmation phrase seeking agreement or confirmation from the listener. When responding to questions and you want to respond affirmatively, you would say
ใช่ ใช่
means yes, it is, that is right. Or to respond negatively, you would say
ไม่ใช่ ไม่ใช่
meaning nope, that's not correct, that's not right. Don't forget to add polite particles. For women, use.
ค่ะ
For men, use.
ครับ
Now, let's see some other examples.
คุณไม่เชื่อผมใช่ไหม คุณไม่เชื่อผมใช่ไหม
Literally translates to, you not believe me, right? Or more naturally in English, you don't believe me, right?
คุณ
You.
ไม่ ไม่
Not.
เชื่อ เชื่อ
To believe.
ผม ผม
I or me, used by male speakers.
ใช่ไหม
Right? Isn't it?
เป็นเรื่องจริงใช่ไหม เป็นเรื่องจริงใช่ไหม
Literally translates to, is story true, right? Or more naturally in English, it's true, right? Now, let's break down each word.
เป็น เป็น
This word is used as the verb to be in Thai. It can mean is, am, or are, depending on the context.
เรื่อง เรื่อง เรื่อง
This word means story or matter, but in this context, it contributes to the phrase meaning true.
จริง จริง
This is an adjective meaning true or real.
คุณพูดจริงๆใช่ไหม คุณพูดจริงๆใช่ไหม
You are really telling the truth, right?
พูด พูด
The verb meaning to speak or to tell.
จริง
Used for emphasis, meaning really or truly. Additionally, in spoken Thai, the phrase
ๆ ใช่ไหม
is often further shortened to
ชิมิ ชิมิ
in very casual conversation. This abbreviated form is commonly used among friends and in informal settings to seek confirmation, similar to right or isn't it in English. This makes conversations more efficient and is widely understood among native speakers.
คุณพูดจริงๆ ชิมิ คุณพูดจริงๆ ชิมิ
Means you are really telling the truth, right? Using these shortened forms helps in making speech more fluid and is especially useful in informal conversations. That's all for this quick lesson. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more bite-sized Thai lessons. Happy learning!